This is the view in the morning, guys. So peaceful. May step din pala dito. Pero medyo scary kasi ang next one is there na. Oh my gosh. But yeah. Balik tayo dito. Hotel slippers. And it's so cool that they have this alarm clock. And pagtingin ko sa likod, alam mo kung anong brand siya? JBL. Super nice. Tapos you can connect your phone and everything. And yan, may snooze light button pa. I left the vlog yesterday uploading and it is now up on my channel. I'm so happy. There you go. I'll have the link in the information box para mapanood niyo siya. I just put on super light makeup on and now I am going to head downstairs na for breakfast. Here are the shoes that I'm wearing to breakfast, guys. So these are from Muy Bien Bonita. I'm sure you've seen this na. Dito yung venue ng breakfast, guys. Look at that. Nice. And I have a little table over here. And then meron tayong view ng Manila Bay. Ano, ocean. We have cereal. Yogurt. Cold cuts. Lemon bread. I love it. Pancakes, waffles. Oh my gosh, rambutan. Love it. We have fried danggit. We have eggplant, chicken adobo, and rice. Because you know, Filipinos love to eat rice during the breakfast time. Yeah, scrambled eggs, bacon and ham, honey glazed ham. Our sausage quiche. Wow, nice. Yum yum. Grilled tomato and ham. Vegetables and grilled chicken. Siomai. Champorado. What's that? Laksa? Ooh, may laksa sila. Having bread muna, guys, and then I have waffles and then coffee. Also ordered laksa from them, guys. Mukhang masarap. Eggs Benedict, guys. Look at that. Yum! Look at that, guys. So scary. Ulan. Second plate, guys. So I have all sorts of chicken, sausage, my broccoli, my ham, chicken, tapos rice, and then I have here arroz caldo. Super ano lang. Gusto ko na i-try. Half bowl lang siya. Done with my makeup for today, guys. And my sister's here. Mag-shoot kami. Yay! All done, guys. We're ready for the final day of Asia Pop Comic Con. So, the beauty panel will be at 3:15 to 3:45. We're now here at the guest lounge, guys. So we're gonna be starting in 15 minutes. Pero let's check out the food muna kasi may food dito. Oh, I can eat this creamy broccoli and parma ham pizza. Oh my gosh. We have eggplant parmigiana, spinach and mushroom fish casserole, grilled chicken barbecue, sugar glazed pork loin and mango chutney, roast beef with red wine reduction. Oh, lovely. Meron tayong mga dessert. Yeah. Guest lounge is empty, guys. Anyway, here's our lunch for today, guys. We have, alam mo, naka-idea hotel, pasta, tapos may broccoli and ham, white sauce, chicken, pork loin, and then roast beef. Yummy!
Like I said, this is the beauty panel, and we have invited with us, three very beautiful ladies who are going to be talking to us, like I said, about makeup, lifestyle, their lives, and so much more. Off the top of your head, you have like a go-to, this is your go-to color, or this thing lasts forever?
Well, my current favorite is something that I got recently lang, which is the Happy Skin liquid lipstick in Jigs Mayuga. It was made after the professional makeup artist.
That's the one. It is nice. Very nice, actually. I love the Happy Skin mascara.
Mascara, oh my gosh. L'Oreal Miss Manga. Kung try mo yun.
Also.
And si Etude House Hyper Curl, Curl Fix Mascara. As in, parang naka-false lashes.
I hope everybody's taking notes on that because, I'm pretty sure you can relate with me, like, as girls that since you had to put a darker
contour. Yes, contouring. It helps with, if I have like a round face, you double chin ko permanent na siya. Siguro ko sa baba girls, kailangan ko contour sa jaw area.
Okay.
So when you do that, you're shading, you're adding shadows, so it gives you an illusion na meron kang leg.
So there, for those that need that, to, your entire look. Can you give them, tips on that?
It's not enough for us to make a review, right? If we do, like, if you would see on our Snapchat that this brand said,
Audience members have questions. So, if we could get anybody that would like to ask a question towards Say or Vernon Bernice or all three of them, I'm pretty sure anything beauty, travel, life, even their lifestyle. We have a question right in front.
Yes, well, despite of your busy schedule, how do you stay beautiful?
surround yourself with good company. As in, Vern and I, whenever we're here,
kahit pag-pile on ka ng 10 pounds ng makeup, kapag pangit yung skin mo, it would show. So, kailangan
skincare. So it's beauty from within, feeling good about yourself, proper skincare, and then the makeup and everything else. Hi!
Is there a specific routine that you follow? Like, di ba parang yung gusto-gusto ngayon na 10-step Korean skincare? So,
I use the cleansing oil. Kapag ganito yung makeup ko, girl, kailangan cleansing oil para matulog talaga yung makeup. And then for the mascara, dito ko na to, waterproof. So, pwede na tanggalin. So, masakit sa lashes yun. Ang ginagamit ko, plug again, Etude House Mascara Cleaner. You know why? It melts the mascara. As in, melt talaga. So, pag gano'n mo, tanggal na siya, girl. Then after that, since acne prone ako, I use the Asian Secrets Acne Soap. Hindi to sponsor na. Totoo talaga. Gumagana siya talaga.
Which one is it?
29 pesos, girl.
Asian Secrets Anti-Acne Soap.
Yes. Bongga yun. After yun, girl, hugas, diba? Face mask. I swear by face mask. As in,
It's true.
Right? Every day.
Okay. It's true, huh?
Ito. Kasi yung face mask, parang ano siya, all-in-one. Di ba sabi mo kanina, 10-step chuba-chuba? Girl, all-in-one na yung mask. Yes. Ito talaga.
With us today, and I'm sure they're just, of course, going to be able to get updates from your vlogs, This has been the beauty panel here at the main stage of the SMX for the Asia Pop Comic Con 2016.
I'm with Aileen. Hi! Finally, nag-meet na kami.
I'm such a fan.
I'm such a fan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my, pink salmon. Mango butter sauce. We have chicken and cream cheese. Yum. Herb pork shoulder. Roast beef. Ito yung kanina. Oh, they have peach panna cotta. We're eating. Look who I met! It's Mary France! Hi! Do you have any shout-outs?
Shout out to Mama and Mama Ditas and Russell Francis, Sunny, and all my brothers. Oh my God, Rylan and Remiel.
Love it! We're here together. Nagkita kami dito sa lobby ng Conrad. Nice to meet you! Nice to meet you! Having dinner. May soup. Tapos ito yung mga, sinigang. Yum. Ay, ang bilis. Naluto na agad. Shock. Ang laki ng hipon. Thank you. I am live on Facebook right now, guys. So, ito yung mga ka-chat ko ngayon. Live chat. O, diba? Yan. Hi kayo, girls. And guys, and everyone. And thank you for all the hearts. Actually, all the emoticons okay lang. Ang daming angry, oh. Sino kaya yung mga angry? Done with the Facebook live session, guys. Right now, magtatangal na ako ng makeup. Sobrang pagod ako. So, wait lang. Tanggalin ko makeup ko. Munti ko nang hindi ma-edit yung vlog kasi sobrang pagod talaga ako. I can feel it in my bones. But I forgot, hindi ko nasama sa vlog yung rant ko about, or yung disappointment ko sa restaurant here at Conrad, Manila. What is it called? Prasier something? I forgot. But, basically, I treated my family dinner over there. So, nag-buffet kami. 1,200 per head. We arrived at 8 p.m. and I just really did not enjoy the food. I did not enjoy the food. The service was great. Mabait yung mga waiters and all of that. But, the food, oh my goodness. Almost everything was like cold na. Very, hindi siya enjoyable kainin. Super konti ng selection. I did not enjoy I only enjoyed one piece of cake. Yun lang na-enjoy ko kasi medyo moist yung cake. But other than that, hindi na ako nasarapan sa mga iba. I don't know, it's just not really something that I expected. Di ba kasi pag 1,200, you would expect na super duper sarap, ganyan. Pero guys, super sayang ang pera. There were 5 of us, 1,200 per head. So, oh my goodness guys, sobrang it was a waste of money. And tinanong ko naman sa waitress kung ano siya, kung iniiba nila yung menu everyday. Iniiba naman daw nila. I don't know, maybe siguro na-tsyempohan lang namin na hindi ganun ka-okay yung food nila. So, I was really super disappointed. Such a waste of money. But, it's okay. You know, lesson learned. I just wanted to warn you guys, if ever nakakain na kayo, comment down below and let me know kung, kung anong experience nyo doon. Although, service is really good, but it's super duper pricey. 1,200. Girl, my gosh, basta nakakaloka talaga. And hindi ako nasarapan. Nasa-ending talaga sobra. My sister looked it up on the internet and she told me na ang only good review doon is yung sinigang nila. Which is okay. Maganda. Masarap yung sinigang nila. But other than that, wala na guys. So, nakakaloka. Anyway, that is it. I'm wrapping up the vlog. Finally, we're gonna go home tomorrow and we're gonna finish more work. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm wearing the 3D face mask from Hanabsay. Thank you for watching. Bye.